Thanks guys for showing your interest in my course. In this course I will tell you different ways to wax eyebrows, legs at home with honey and salt method. In the first section I will tell you how to wax eyebrows at home. I will also tell you how you can make wax and making the wax, applying the wax, removing the wax, and also tell you the things that you will need. In the second section you will learn how to wax your eyebrows at home method 2, because I will tell you different methods. In the second method you will learn waxing your eyebrows with paraffin wax, waxing your eyebrows with sugar and honey wax, waxing your eyebrows with a professional waxing kit, question answer and important things also included. And in the third section we will discuss how to wax your legs, how to prepare to waxing your legs with sugar wax, professional waxing kits, question answers. And in the fourth section you will learn waxing safely and effectively, body hair waxing, facial hair, safe and effective wax tips are also included. And in the last section I will tell you hair removing technique. So there are some lectures. You can also read my articles in this course. So guys, let's get started.